Hey guys, I thought I'd give you a quick viewing of the downstairs of our house. We bought this back in 2021 and we're only really making progress like 4 years later. So yeah, that's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And that's just the reality of basically having 2 kids since living here. So yeah, here's a little tour. There's a downstairs. There's my little doggo. I'm going to take you back through the front door. So there's this little alcove bit for shoes. Then you've got a small hallway. Then this is like the living room. This cove looks so cool, but actually it's a pain in the ass with things being moved around and stuff. It's fine. Then I have my very happy boyfriend. He looks so young. Oh my god. And yeah, here is the very, very B-Tech kitchen. It's a crazy one, and she looks so different now, so I can't wait to show you the progress. This is a mess of a garden as well. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be updating you. I do have a kitchen renovation video on my TikTok, which I'll link down below. But yeah, follow along if you want to see more. We're currently doing the garden because this was the state of it. But yeah, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.